This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on American Express in 2026. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your American Express account by visiting the official website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to securely access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, look for the Payouts or Payments section in a menu. This is typically found under the Account or Transactions tab, where you can manage your financial activities. Step 3. Select Payout Method. Choose your preferred payout method from the available options. American Express may offer various methods such as direct deposit, check, or transfer to another financial service. Make sure to select the one that suits your needs. Step 4. Enter payout details. Fill in the required information for your payout request. This may include the amount you wish to withdraw and any necessary account details for the payout method you selected. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your payout request to ensure all details are correct. Once confirmed, submit your request. You should receive a notification or confirmation email regarding the status of your payout. Following these steps will help you successfully request payouts on American Express. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.